Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Taste Company. In this video, we're going to assemble this German half track here. Let's just take your clippers and clip away at the little screws, and then clip away all these things. Now clip there and there. May as well clip this thing off too, this little shield. Clean up the spare mark height. And then carefully clip away at this stuff. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this process, but you will see how it's done. Alright, so that is done. You saw how that was done, and you can sand this down if you wish. This part, this was the support plastic for the 3D printing process, just needs to be removed that way. So go ahead and let's get going with the clipping away of all the little screws. Here, and then away here. So I'm pretty sure all the clipping away process is done. Now it's time to glue this together. So just put some glue here, like that. So you can use the table to help guide these two pieces together. You can see how that was done. Maybe use a clamp if you wish. Clamp that, make sure it glues together nicely. Yeah, so that is done. Now, if you wish, go ahead and do this part. Put some glue there, some glue there, maybe some glue in these edges. So yeah, you see how that's going down like that. Just hold that in place. Like I said, you could use a clamp if you wish to clamp this down, make sure it stays in place. Let the glue dry. Alright, so the next thing that I will do here, put some glue in this front. And so you can see how that will go. There you go. There's the front portion of that. For some reason, this piece is having a hard time staying. Okay, so there's the body of this vehicle. All right, so continuing on. Put some glue here and there. Then, oh, I had a little sprue cut there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this piece on like that. Okay, next. Let's go ahead, put some glue along this edge here. Then go ahead and put this half track on. Just make sure it goes about there. Should be good. And then same for here. Now for this one, go ahead and like this. And then in the like manner, some glue there and there. I'm using the table to help guide these things in. Putting that in the middle with the axle in the middle there. That works. Same for the other side. Next, go ahead, put a little glue like there. You can put this shield on there. Unfortunately, we don't have the ability to make the MG too small of a part. Maybe in the future someday. Okay. Then these flaps here, mud flaps or whatever. Probably a part of the metal body tank, not like rubber mud flaps. Well, all right, so there is the half track. This is an update version, actually, because we've sold this one already, but this one has better details. So there's the assembly of that available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.